Yo, yo, what up, what up, what up? What up, gang? That's right, you're a part of a gang. All right, dope. Check, check. Um, Here we go, man. I'm sitting down because I have to sit down right now because all this stuff. What's up? What is up? Um, Jesus gang. Jesus was reliable. I mean, they can say a lot about us, but they can never say that we're not consistent. All right, we're always here doing it. Big Grant, what up, what up? Matt Dog. Jesus was reliable. Let's have a look at these levels. See if we want to retest a reaction off this level. Big Rad Dog. Mic sounds scratchy. Bro, my mic's still cooked. Mic crackling? Fuck, really? What about now? Is it better now? Yeah, my mic is so fucking chopped. Believe it or not, this little zesty mic might be better. Check. Fuck yes, I love this shit. Love it. Woo! Let's go. Can you guys hear now? I love when I'm having issues straight away. Let's do it. Fuck yes, bro. Jesus was reliable. All right, man. Just sounds like constant rain. Really? What the fuck? Okay, what about now? Check this out. Hang on. Now with the noise suppressor on, is it different? Fuck it. Oh, way better. Okay. I'm gonna leave that little zesty mic right there. And you guys on TickTube. I'll put the suppressor on high. All right, man. Let's lock in. Fuck yeah, man. I love when bro, me and Ty just did a mad podcast. The only thing is, my mic audio is chopped in it, man. But man, I mean, I just made nearly 10 grand just here, so let's have a look. 1,000 over five funded bananas. Can you guys see that on YouTube? Um, 1,000 over five bang bang bananas. Uh, and I want more. I want more money. More money. Now. Yeah, I caught this little T2 here. Did anyone else catch this? Oh, you took it in the Voicey? Let's go! Because here's the thing. You know, obviously, I was aiming for a wick fill here, but I took partials off around here, and then obviously partials just ran. You took in the Voicey, got 3K USD. Let's go! Start, weren't you already up a K in a bit? Amazing. So check this out, you guys. The guys in the mentorship run voice chats as well. And just to know that they took the same trade as me is fucking massive W. Massive W, man. I mean, it's just the craziest shit to think about because not even that long ago, right? When I started this group, and now cats have adopted the system and the strategy to such a level that, yeah, it's just wild stuff. So let's have a look here. Failing to push above here. I was a bit sus in this bit of it. Looks like a bit of a fake out. Pushing back down. A lot of volatility here in the market. All caught it. Yeah, beautiful stuff, you guys. Wow. Fuck yeah. Look at this, you guys. Me and young Ty over here. He's only 19. In the last month, he's made what he would have made on his job in like 6 months. Probably more than that, to be honest. Big dub. Tried to take partials, accidentally closed the trade. That's all right. Still a dub. So we're going to be really not get tricked by this market right here because these ranges are massive. Listen to the boys in the chat as well. W, nice. Pez looks different. Yeah. Yeah, Pez is transformed into a 19-year-old. A 19-year-old lad from New Zealand now. Having a hungy. We had a hungy on the podcast, bro. My job would take a year at least, really? So listen to this stat. This is Ty in the chat there on YouTube, who's the one where I did the podcast with. In the last month, he's made what would take him 1 year at his job, trading, and he's only 19. And they're still sleeping on us. We might be building a community that we're just going to eclipse the world. What other communities do you see that are just constantly posting guys that are crushing it, that are actually legit, not fake? Like that, I know there's some gurus out there that pay just actors to pretend that they made like a killing and shit in their community. No, we got guys really doing it. We have guys really doing it, which is wild. So I've got these levels here marked. This big candle has just created a lot of clean traffic for us to play in. It's just casually 300 ticks. Is that 300 ticks, like, or 30? That's 300, isn't it? Like, what is this world that we're living in right now? I think yesterday was the biggest drop in, like, history in 1 day on gold. Hey, Daniel, can you explain your last trade? Yeah, let's explain my last trade here. I mean, yeah, all it was is there's a very key level up here. We've got clean traffic up here. If you look on the 1 hour, I identified that there was a, I'm pretty sure, yeah, there was a 1 hour wick here, I believe. Regardless, I was trying to move up into this range. We are obviously moving up, right? The market's kind of in an uptrend. We've seen a pullback here, weakening, rejecting, strength in the opposite direction. One more retest, had a buy stop sitting there, anticipating some range up here to get filled. I cut partials around there and then let partials run. Yeah, so this is what we would, in the mentorship, we would just call kind of a type 2 setup. Just kind of trying to move with the momentum, just trying to identify that pullback. opportunity. Because it's all well and good to like know the direction, but how are you going to get in? And structurally, this is kind of similar to what we would want to see, and you know, it's got a pretty high hit rate. So when you see it, just execute. Oh, Zeke, what up, brother? What up, my dude? See you in December, cousin. See you in December. I actually had a dream that I caught up with you boys last night and we smoked a Bob Marley. I had a dream that literally that happened last night. I specifically remember it. Yeah, all the dummies. Like, so, man, I'll be honest with you guys. I came into this week not like ready for this move. And I thought it was going to happen on Monday. I was just too soon. Gold just wanted to retest the highs. And when all the NPCs ran to the shops to buy physical gold, that was like, that confirmed it to me. Like, yeah, now get ready to sell. Once the masses do something, do the opposite kind of shit. And it didn't happen on Monday. It happened on Tuesday, retested the highs, and see you later. Biggest drop in gold history in one day. So, beautiful, beautiful move. It's a once in a lifetime. It's a very rare thing, right? It's not like, yeah. Let's make it reality, bro. Legit. Yeah, I just want to kind of W dream. Yeah. W reality. You got funded? Nice. Observe the masses, do the opposite, man. Legit. That was like the nail in the coffin. Thank you, Mercedes. Appreciate it. Yeah, I posted a story yesterday. Yesterday was the first time I've ever hit over 10K in one day trading. 12.8 Australian thousand dollars. To hit a 10K day Australian dollars was like a goal for a long time. Like not a goal like, oh, I need to hit this, but it was just something that was in my head for a long time. And oh, you're saying that as well, Static? Yeah. All right, well, good stuff. Looks like everyone's up on this trade over here in the mentorship, at least. That's dope. Good morning from hell, bro. Lines outside a gold store. Imagine being that much of an NPC to be one of those guys in the lines up on gold. Being like, oh, I've seen on the news something's happening. Like all those dudes, all those people that lined up, when the zombie apocalypse comes, they're all the first to go. They're all the first to go. And you got motherfuckers like me perched up in a hill in the top of like an abandoned building with a sniper with like 10 chicks, like all the hottest Latinas that I've like rallied up, and I've got heaps of tins of tuna and shit. And all those guys lining up at the store are all the first to go. All good, but all the first to go. Four-hour time frame bearish. Yeah, I mean, we'll see, right? Bro, moved to Dubai, got a Latino addiction. Man, I've always had a Latino addiction, but yeah, Dubai definitely heightened it. So the 4-hour on Forex and futures looks virtually the same. Yeah, sweet. Straight from Colombia. Imagine camping out and buying gold at fucking, bro. So wild. It just goes to show like why human nature, like normal human thinking doesn't work in trading, because that's kind of like the mindset of like an amateur trader, right? We buy at the top and we do everything wrong essentially. That's why it's so hard to get good at trading. You have to do everything opposite to what like normal thinking is almost. Have you ever been in the market and you're like, everything looks like this is going to happen, and then like, let me just see if I do the opposite, what happens? And then when you do the opposite, it's like you win. It's because like what your normal thinking is, it just doesn't work in trading. Because these candles moving up and down are essentially just mass human psychology, like condensed into one bar moving up and down. Well, that's like a big portion of it. The other portion is like fundamentals and shit. Well, most of it is fundamental, but a lot of it is just human psychology condensed into a bar moving up and down. That's why like my bias has been relatively heavy bearish on things like Bitcoin, because Bitcoin's just becoming a massive chunk of human psychology, and like we think that society's going to move into digital currency and we think this is going to happen and we and it's like, bro, humans, whenever humans try and think shit, they don't know shit, son. Humans are real bad at predicting. Look at this type 2 here on the daily on Bitcoin. Yeah, humans don't know anything, bro. I mean, humans are real bad at predicting. Damn, we're really getting that, we're really getting like that bunny rabbit pattern. I mean, that cat pattern. How do you draw a cat again? That or something? No, how does a cat's nose go or something? It's like a triangle. Wow. Wow. When you finally realize you got autism. When it all comes crashing down. But yeah. That's the thing about Dubai, there's random cats everywhere. Good morning from the Netherlands. What up, what up, what up? Wait, what do we think about this level below here? I think considering the ranges, it's just a bit too small. Bit too yeah, fuck it. I mean, I used to be an actual artist. Do you guys realize today we dropped 1,000 ticks and then just moved back up like 1,500? Like it's just nothing. Did you learn a trader with mentor or course? Yeah, course. It was all. I've never had a mentor, but it was all courses. Yeah, it was all courses, unfortunately. I think when I was like mainly coming up, like there wasn't really mentorship, so it was just courses and shit. Yeah, I think mentorships are like more of a more recent kind of thing. Which is a W, honestly. If you've got like a genuine mentor like myself, if you're interested in joining the mentorship, the waitlist is still live right now. You go to danielholmestrades.com. Anyone that joins the waitlist will get benefits that guys later on that try and get in won't get. But yeah, if you got a genuine actual mentor that can guide you through the shit, it's definitely going to help speed the process up a ton. Good morning from Somalia. What up, G? Pez, when are you going to start streaming? Yeah, gold's definitely on steroids. NQ, what is... We kind of came down here a bit extended here and haven't got much of a read on NQ. It looks like this is, like if you really try and like look at this for what it actually is, this is kind of like just consolidation range right here. We're just sideways, there's no real trend. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the stream as well if you like me and stuff like that. Drop a thumbs up for the YouTube stream. And if you don't want a thumbs up, it means you just automatically think I'm fat and ugly. Are you AI? Yes. Nah, gold's not normally this volatile. I mean, yeah. Put it this way, ever since Trump has come into office, like the second time, the game's changed. And we've had to adapt. Like as a trader, you have to adapt. You can't just You can't just fucking expect to chill. Like, you have to consistently adapt to the market. I think we as a whole, like me and my community, we've done a good job of doing that as well. Yeah, you have to adapt, man. It's so on the wait list. W, video benefits. Oh, you're still waiting for some setup stuff, Pez. Pezovsky the third. Adapt, bro. Yeah, we're definitely got to get a meetup and commodity traders connect. Hello from Dubai. What up, V? Yeah, wild volatility. Got to level at 4156. Yeah, I know. I was thinking about that as well, but this is what my thought pattern was as well. So check this out, you guys. Brad said he's got a level here, which is I get it. But my thing is, okay, if you're gonna take that level there, that means the take profit point has to be there at this next structure level here, right, where these wicks are. And you go, well, what's that range? And you go, it's 50 ticks. That's a fucking lot. But then I thought, we have to be looking at this as if it was normal ranges. And if this was normal ranges, pips aside, it's just like, you know, the range has kind of already been filled. I don't know. I don't like it. I understand why you would like it, but I'm gonna have to personally hold my horses. She's not doing much. You experienced the market conditions this year being the toughest, I hear from a lot of... I mean, I think it's always tough. It's just like it's changed dramatically month by month. I think that's what makes it the hardest. So you got to realize, you guys, that, you know, when we were down here in 5 months of consolidation at the start of the year. So the year started heavy trend, and then we stuck in 5 months of consolidation. The way we traded here has been, I had to adjust as to what it is once we broke out of there, all up here, right? We were in a trendy market. We're in a trendy market now, consolidation market, trendy market. Like, so this year has been tough in the sense that you've got to consistently change the way that you trade the market. Like, yeah, if you're a gold trader, right? It's just been wild. Like, so that could be tough for a newer trader. But if you got the right people around you and stuff like that, it should be good to go. Doesn't matter, bro. What up, Chester? I haven't seen you in a while. Winchell, what up? Oh, getting a 30 closure here. Yeah, that, bro, what John just said there, this little bit here from fucking, like this little range here would be 5 pips normally. Like this looks like a 5 pip range typically, but it's not. It's like, it's literally 56 pips just that's 56. That's basically 60 ticks. Congratulations on your wins yesterday. Thank you, K2. Bro, a couple people got like their accounts back and shit. People that blew their accounts the other day, got accounts back. Did anyone else experience that? Is that a thing? Am I tripping out? It is a thing. People got new fundeds gifted. Wow. Rome got two. Nice, Rome. I got mine back. Okay. I mean, that's why Top Step is the top of the shits, right? Like to do something like that is massive. Like, you know, in a world where there's so many dodgy prop firms where they just kind of don't give a shit and they'll just snake you. W Top Step. Gave it back. Nice. Good stuff. Couple guys in the mentorship got a XFA. Yeah, that's awesome. I always make 2, 3 good days and blow everything in one day. Yeah, that's when I used to look back at my statistics and look at my blown accounts. It was the exact same thing. I would be crushing it, and then you know how you would have like the graph that would show like, you know, it going down or up. It would be going up, and then on one day it would just be a sharp thing down. So I had to identify that, man, I'm a good trader. It's just I like something happens and then I lose control and fucking everything goes south. So it's like, then you have to really identify like what's going on and put limits on yourself. You got to limit yourself, bro. Until you can learn to trust yourself, you got to limit yourself. And that's with like lockout limits and shit. Who could be calling me right? Hello? Hello? Hey. Good. Who's this? I don't know what that is. Oh, yes. When's it coming? Yes. Yes. Yep. Yep. Perfect. Thank you, bro. Okay. Thanks, bro. Yes, my couch is getting delivered. All right, Gold, what do you got? We're kind of stuck right here. Yeah, so I think that's a lot of people, right? Where you look at your graph and it's like everything's going great, and then on one day just a sharp drop, and then that's where it's like, okay, there's something going on here. And what it was for me was I couldn't handle a loss. I've spoken about this many times, and then I had to do the deep dive. Why can't I handle a loss? What is that? Oh, well, I've typically been successful in a lot of areas in life. Like if I put my mind to something, I win or I get what I want, and I tried to bring that into trading. Like if I lost, it's like, nah, I'm not that guy that loses, bro. Let me get that shit back, son. I'm not a loser. I'm a winner. Nah, bro. This is trading. It's not like sports or anything like that. You have to just accept your losses and then kind of come back the next day. And you could be like, no, it doesn't have to be that way. Yeah, it does, because any other time I tried to get it back, what happened? Sharp drop, blown account. You have to, you know what you have to do to be a profitable trader? You have to submit. Oh, I submit. I've submitted to the market. You got to be a little bitch. You got to get dominatrix. You got to have like a ball gag in your mouth and all that shit. That's what you have to do for the market. Are you willing to put a ball gag in your mouth for the market? And if the answer is no, then you're just not going to make it, bro. You're just not going to make it. I'm sorry. It's just not for you, bro. It's fine. Not for everyone. Oh, bro, that's right. It's the velvet one. You still use Prop XP? Goated. Orders, orders ball gag. Oh, really? Sat? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, exactly. That's what it is, IDK. Knowing that if you enter another trade, you could essentially recover a loss. But then that alone is the wrong mindset, because you shouldn't be like looking to recover. You should just be looking at, is this a decent trade setup? Why don't you consider buys after that 15 close? It's a bit tough. Like, this isn't really structurally what I would want to see. You know, because I could also look at this as like a bit of support being formed for the next to drop. Like, I could see that. Doesn't that look like something that you could see? I don't have enough bullish. Like, if this were to close, if it closed stronger with a bigger retest, maybe like that. Yeah. It's just not structurally what I would like to see, I don't think. NQ failed to break below. Fake back up into the range. I used to take these. This used to be a part of my system, these fake out setups. Do we want to bring back one for the good old days? I mean, I guess I bagged that setup because it wasn't consistent enough. So probably not a good idea. I don't like to be wrong. That's like ending red. Yeah, exactly. So until you get over that, that's what you're gonna have to get over. Because I was the exact same, bro. But it just destroyed me, man. It just destroyed me. Ball getting strong, yes sir. Just asking for this because I signed up when you're promoting them. Just pass. Oh, I mean, yeah, they're fine. If you got the account, go for it, brother. I just stop it. Man, do you guys... Funded Next are offering me $17,000 a month to promote them. And I just don't know if I can be fucked. Should I do it? Should I do it for the bag? I'll be able to give like discounts and giveaways for the community, but I just don't know if I can be bothered. I have to make content about it. Platform? Nah, I don't use Magic Keys. Funded Next is good. They're a good reputable. I always get messages from like each week they're doing like $3 million payouts and shit. It's crazy. Tell them 20K or nothing. I mean, I could and they probably would, but I still don't know if I can be bothered. Still don't know if I can be fucked. It's nothing against their firm. They're a great firm. Like, they're super reputable. Yeah, I'll definitely get codes for the community. Yeah, 100%. No, negotiate better terms then. Oh, I can be bothered. Maybe I should do it for the bag. This mic is probably going to die soon, and I'll have to use AirPod mic. Is your building construction finished? Yeah, this is a different. I'm in a different. I've moved since then, Mohammed. 17K AUD. 17K AUD. Yeah, biggest drop in gold history in one day, I believe. Do it, Daniel. See if it's worth something. Yeah. Yeah, I might have to. It's not because of the opportunity. I know what it's like. I've represented firms before. It's just more for the money, I guess. I'm a hooker for the money. If it breaks a previous high, it wouldn't. Nah, I was talking about that before. Lam Lambo, it's not really what I would look for, unfortunately. How often do you make 5K a day? I mean, it's pretty often at the moment, but there's days where I'll lose like money. Yeah, I'll lose money and stuff. It's not all fucking sunshine and roses. Yeah, I'll lose money heaps. But I've been like, the money I've made trading in the last month is like fucking insane when you think about it. I've been cooking up on some of these accounts. I've been getting little wrap payouts and shit here and there, but I'm about to get moved to live on Bullinox where I can pull out the max. So when you're live with Bullinox, the max payout you can do is 10K USD, which I'll take that straight up and then just keep chipping. Nah, I've still got the rental car. I'm kind of tempted to take an impulse sell. What do you think the probability of this breaks its own bond? I mean, it fills this wick down here. A 100 pip stop. Oh, I'm canceling. There's only 6 minutes on the clock. Roger is looking to buy at the break of this high candle, and his brother is looking for sales. Wait, does Roger's brother live stream? You're a new student? Are you really? Good to have you here then. W. Awesome, man. Fuck yeah. Book a call, my dude. Let's catch up. Let's definitely catch up. Hey, check this out. If this closes like this, I'm going to take a buy at the next candle. Man, I still got my rental car that I picked up at the airport when I first got here to Dubai. I still haven't taken it back. They hate me. They fucking hate me because every time they're like, sir, when you bring car back, I'm like, can I extend it? Can I extend it? Can I extend it? Man, you just have to know from brother to brother. Jesus! We've got Jesus cats in the chat. Jesus loves me. Jesus loves you. Jesus loves all. Jesus was reliable. No. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Hey Daniel, thanks again for sharing your strategy. I've taken a turn into an indicator for MT4 and it works perfectly. I mean, that's dope. I think there's a huge portion of it which is like, you know, discretion of a trader's decision making. Like there's a lot of like just like right just then where I put an order in but I cancelled it. Like you can't really put that into an indicator or a robot. How many accounts do you have? Because I think I'm having discussions with you or a robot or a fake account. I mean, think of what the discussion would be about. So, you know, just like the good old days where gold would do nothing. I mean, gold would flip around thousands and thousands of pips, and then as soon as we turn the stream on, the brakes go on. I mean, it was pretty crazy the sell we took yesterday on stream. Like it made sense. Right here, right. Could you imagine if we just held that? All good. Thank you, fake. Keep an eye on NQ. Getting pretty interested in NQ, to be honest. Bro, a buy from 4,350 should I get off? 4,350. 4. Oh, a buy from 4,350. I have a buy from 4,350. Hey, bro. Hey, bro, that was... Yeah, that was 3,000 pips away. You're in 3,000 pips of drawdown. Hey, bro, should I close the trade? I'm in 3,000 pips drawdown. All good. W. That's fucking wild. Oh, you can't lose if there's no stop loss. Yeah, I guess so. Wow. bro bought when the news said to buy gold. Change your username, bro. That's a good way for scammers to not alter it. Bro, do you not think they'll change their username then? Yeah, his stop loss is take, bro. Yeah, $1 billion account with 3,000 drawdown. All right, so gold's chilling. NQ, what are you doing here, bucko? W gold. Dude, I what you got says pretty much. Legit. Man, let's do this. Open a spinning wheel website, put a buy or sell, spin it. Every single person on this stream opened a trade based on what the wheel gave us. So you down, brother? But that's promoting gambling. That's promoting G-Beline, and we're really out here doing not that. That's the issue. That would be the biggest issue there. Yeah, NQ's kind of done us dirty here. Gold has done absolutely nothing. Please go back to B. Please go back to B. I swear I'll get out of B. I promise. Has anyone ever been like in drawdown so bad they're like, please just bring it back to BE. I promise when it gets to BE, I'll close the position. And then it goes to BE and goes to a little bit of profit. And you're like, maybe I'll leave it. Maybe I'll see if it goes into profit. Right? It goes into profit and then it comes down and takes you out of the trade. Like, fuck, I had a chance to get out of BE. I got greedy and now look. And then stop loss. Yep. Yep. No, everyone's guilty of the same shit, my dudes. There's no one special in this trading game, man. There's no one special in this trading game. It's just who can endure it, get through it, learn from it, and then eventually come out the other side. Afterwards, all sad and angry, yeah. But the reality is you're only ever really in that situation if you're like, you're trading outside of your system, right? Like you're just doing dumb shit. Thoughts on Q Banks? I'ma fuck that dude up when I see him. I mean, Q Banks is like one of the OGs in the game. To be honest, I don't know. I don't like trust anyone really in terms of profits and demo. Unless they're live and use fund accounts and shit. Fucking hell, Lewis. I mean, at the moment in gold, it's tough right now.
The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs. I won't be angry, regret. Only smile.
Think you could move down and fill this wiki here now.
The hardest thing in my life that I've ever known. It's hard to justify unless you walk the path that I've strolled. You keep telling yourself.
Pure, thank you. Yesterday dropped so much, started hedging at 7 different levels, blew my account for the 4th time. Rookie numbers, brother. Rookie numbers, but all good. Man, we've got Tom Aspinall this weekend. I'm excited. Public news said to buy. They told me to buy. I seen it on the news. What are you looking for, buy or sell? I mean, it's tough right now. There's no clear indications yet. Tom against who? No, Tom is versing Cyril Gunn. Yeah, this was a weird move. This was sus. And like, just the reality of what this even is just bonkers. Like that move just then was 110 pips. Cool. Bail seal. Fuck, you know. Bail seal. Holding till all-time highs, but who said it's going back to all-time highs? What if it starts to consolidate and work its way down for the next 2 years? This is a daily chart. What if the next 2 years looks something like this? Right? Then what? Hold it for all-time high for 2 years. Remember, the market doesn't have to do anything that you think. It just does whatever it wants. Nah, I don't, yeah, I can't, it's just not like there's nothing familiar there enough for me to want to sell that. Yeah. Maybe. But that's not a ton of volume. Those are quite nice. We get a weak fill. 30 kind of broke the structure. 15 rejected, held support, retested. 1 hour close in 8 minutes. Yeah, I'm not interested. Choppy London. Yep. Standard. A bunch of sellers just got tagged out bad then. Screenshot the realistic projections. Yeah, bro. Yeah, that's an interesting thing as well, right? We tapped into, did we tap in back into 400K, 4,000? Pretty much, right? Yeah, tapped into the 4,000 level yesterday. Oh, for fuck's sake. Can you get any more pop-ups of trading view? Yeah, if you guys on TikTok want to see the chart differently, I'm live on YouTube right now. Same name as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades. If you come over there, you'll see I'm live right now. See the full chart. Would you recommend moving to Dubai? Perfect trading timing? I wouldn't do it for the trading timing. I would do it for the taxes, the lifestyle, all the shits like that. What's your win rate? I haven't lost a trade ever at this point. I'll keep you posted. Jesus is reliable. No, sir. The evidence suggests that Jesus was reliable. All right, man. I'm starting to lose my mind waiting for a setup here. I want to trade now. I haven't made enough money yet. Damn, you never lost? Never. Yep. A year and a half of live trading every day, and never one time have I taken an L. Some call me the goat, others call me the fucking sheep. Yeah, we need a Kensig. Double go. Throw. I'm really gonna say that. Jesus. Somebody's calling me. Hello? Hello. Can't bother. The evidence suggests my microphone was reliable. More than 70% are long on gold. Really? Maybe we should go short then. That's pretty good numbers to go short. All right, man. We've got these hour coming up. We've got this hour closure coming up. See if we get a bit of volume here. Gold's just consolidating right now, and if we can get a bit of volume, we'll take a trade. If not, I'll just call it, and we'll see what's happening on New York. Go check what Jim Cramer said. No. I won't do that, man. Come on. Best funded account firm? They're all good, bro. Daddy. Oh, man. Live streaming life. Keep stuck in the mud. Yeah, we've got 2 minutes for this hour closure. We'll see what's up here. 4 hours starting to flip. Come on, gold, give us a trade, bro. Failed above, had no bottom wick. Pushing down now. 200 pips, all good. No position is a position, I like that. I mean, but for me, Jack, it'd have to be this level here, man. For me personally, we'll see. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up for the live stream here on YouTube as well. Helps the algorithm bring heaps of money to your... Kind of weird structure here, nothing super clean just yet. Yeah, W trade, everyone, like myself and these other guys in the mentorship took here. Took a bite at the break of this high here. I personally rode it up to around here and then let partial do the rest. Beautiful setup. $150 ticks, yeah. Yeah, I think I would have been around the same when you think about these ranges, yeah. Crazy. Massive W. Yeah, I did because I wanted to see it break this high here. I wanted to see it break this wick, and then when it did, that's when I cut it. Big dub. That was your TP, yeah. 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 I never saw you take a trade live. Brother, let me click on your profile. All right, let's have a look here. Unk with 500 followers has never seen me take a trade live. No bio yet. Bro. You know what I mean? Literally didn't say anything, but it's like, oh. I show up here not for you to trade for you. I show up here to trade for me. I just click record. And if a setup comes, then I take the trade. If a setup doesn't come, then I just walk away. Like, don't ever get it twisted what we're doing here, Unk. This isn't show up to trade. This is show up to see if a trade arises, then I trade. Don't get it twisted, Unk. Don't get all hunky on me. AirPod. Wow. Alright. W AirPod. Check. Check. AirPods it is, my mic died. I gotta get a new mic today. Do not redeem! Do not redeem! That sound real? Worse than Russians? Fuck! Battlefield audio. Do not redeem! Man! If the audio is real bad, I might just fucking call it, you guys, and get a new mic. Audio. Mic is very bad. Yeah, or anyway, you guys, I mean, it's pretty overextended here now. I don't know. Looks like we're pushing down. No FOMO, man. The next level anyway is, the next level is right here, so we'll see what God wants to do. All right. It sounds better now? Really? Do not redeem! Audio got better? Really? Sounds perfect. Bruce the pilot. And the weather in Dubai is 45 degrees. We've got a northeasterly wind, and hopefully you enjoyed your flight. No, it's still, oh yeah, people are trying to get me to stay. Yeah, love you guys, appreciate you guys. Nothing really happening here. Just have to wait, whatever, all good. I'll see you guys in mentorship for New York. We'll do the New York stream. Love you guys. I'll see you tomorrow on YouTube. See you, gang. I'll get a new mic. I'll get a new mic. Love you. Bye bye.